Oh, it's so cool. I want to take a quick second to thank this video's accommodation sponsor, La Demeure de Beaulieu, located 10 kilometers south of Saumur. And thanks to them, I have a very comfortable, very upscale accommodation near the Dive Bouteille, the wine event that I'm attending tomorrow all day. I got in today. Stephlemerond greeted me at the door. She gave me a quick tour of the public spaces, which was the living room, the dining room, and the reception. I got in here closer to 7, which was already dark out, and I will show you the installations tomorrow. So this is the room that I'm staying in. It's the Saumurois room. It has a double bed. It's pretty spacious. It's got 2 seats. It's got this big lounging sofa, plus it's a separate and private bathroom or toilet. And it's really close to the event, plus close to the winemakers, one of the winemakers that I would want to visit very soon in the Loire Valley, which is Coudray-Macouard. Hopefully one day I'll be able to visit them very soon. And let me show you. Come. Oh, that is awesome. Awesome. All right. Well, we made it to La Demeure de Beaulieu. This is the room, the Saumurois. Let me give you a quick tour of the bedroom I'm staying at. So this is a joined twin bed. You can see from here, but it's basically like a double. We got a little light, which is always good to have extra light. We have electricity, somewhere to plug in. We have a small window to let in the early morning light. We have a big flat screen TV. This 54-inch here to put some of your belongings, and of course chimney that does work, as you can probably tell. Yep, ash, burnt wood, and oh, it even smells. It smells of that smoky. We have more wood if you like it to be cozier. We have this beautiful decor for the chimney, and this is to put your belongings. And to continue, I'm speaking much softer because it's quite late. People are going, and so we have more range, more space to put your stuff away, right? So this is the little hallway that brings you to the bathroom, and of course here you have your corner shower. In the summer, if it gets too hot, you have your little fan here. Of course, your typical toilet. Another small window. Of course, this big sink with this decor. And look at the wood. It's so pretty. Heater if it gets too cold. Wet towel rack. Of course, your lights. Extractor. That's pretty cool. And you have your coat hanger. A little coat hanger for your backpack. And of course, she was very kind to get started on the little heater over here because it's quite cold outside. And Well, that's it. That's pretty much the room. Let me do another bed test. This is actually for 2 people. It's for 2 people, and it's very spacious. This is perfect. This is perfect. Alrighty, let's get settled in. Good morning. It's 6:30. I'm going to get ready for breakfast and then get ready for another wine salon. Let's go. That's it for me for this video, but if you'd like to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button to receive my next videos on your homepage. And if you'd like to follow my daily adventures, check out my other socials listed in the description below. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next video. Merci. Passe vino. Bye.